We'll guide you through how to track in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and import your footage into the timeline. Once you have your clip on the timeline, click on it to select it, and then go over to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Color page, you'll see a series of panels and tools. Look for the Tracker panel, which is usually located in the middle of the screen. Click on the Tracker panel to bring up its options. Now, with your clip selected, go to the Power Window tool in the toolbar on the right. Choose a shape that best fits the object you want to track, such as a circle or a square, and place it over the object in your footage. Once the Power Window is positioned correctly, go back to the Tracker panel and make sure the tracker is set to the correct mode. You'll see options like Pan, Tilt, Zoom, and Rotate. These determine what kind of motion the tracker will follow. Click on the forward arrow in the Tracker panel to start tracking your object. DaVinci Resolve will automatically analyze the motion and apply the tracking data to the Power Window. You can see the progress as it tracks frame by frame. If the tracking isn't perfect, you can manually adjust the Power Window frame by frame using the keyframe navigation. After tracking is complete, you can apply any color corrections or effects to the tracked area. This is great for highlighting objects, blurring faces, or even adding effects that follow the motion. Play back your clip to ensure the tracking is smooth and the adjustments are applied correctly. That's it. You've successfully tracked an object in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.